most powerful step you can take toward a healthier you is to enjoy an array of colorful fruits and vegetables each day. They are packed with protective, healing nutrients, and they can also help you keep your weight in check. Working more fruits and vegetables in your life doesn't have to be difficult. It can be a pure pleasure. Here are some small changes that can lead to big results. So first of all, just try adding a few berries to your cereal in the morning, a handful of pre-washed baby spinach to your sandwich at lunch, or try sprinkling some cinnamon on apple slices for dessert after dinner. All of these changes are practically effortless and help make your meals more colorful and delicious too. So incorporate more produce into your routine, and your skin will thank you for it. Another way to add a punch of color, flavor, and nutrition is to try smoothies. They are quick and easy, and they're so decadent they're almost like a milkshake. I like to use blueberries, which have antioxidants that can help prevent signs of aging, and mangoes are great too. They're tasty and a great source of vitamin A and C. So all you do is put some milk or yogurt in a blender, some ice water, which I have in here already, also with some honey, a little honey for sweetness. Put the mango right in there. You can use frozen mango that's already cut up, that works great. And then you just blend that right up. Yum. This looks so good. Just like a milkshake, like I told you. You see all that beautiful color, and it's so frothy and delicious. It's a perfect breakfast or afternoon snack. I cannot think of a better way to get my skin-loving nutrients.